In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manipulate Canva shapes and lines. By the end, you'll feel confident adding simple elements to your design and adjusting their look, size, and position so they work perfectly with your layout. Start by opening Canva and heading to your design. Once your canvas is on screen, go to the Elements tab. Under Shapes, choose something simple like a rectangle or a circle, then click to add it to your page. You'll see it drop right onto your design, ready to be customized. If you're working with a line instead of a filled shape, the process is very similar, and the controls you'll see are designed specifically for lines. Click the element to select it. When it's selected, a toolbar appears with the controls you need. For lines, look for the color swatch to change the line color, weight to adjust thickness, and style to switch between solid and dashed looks. These options let you match your line to your brand or make it stand out for emphasis. For shapes, you'll see options like style or corners, which let you adjust how rounded the edges are. Pulling corners in gives a softer, friendlier feel, keeping them sharp feels more modern and clean. Use the color swatch to update fill color so the shape complements your background and text. To resize, use the white handles on the corners to scale the element proportionally, keeping its overall shape consistent as it gets larger or smaller. This is ideal when you want to enlarge a circle or rectangle without warping it. Use the side handles if you intentionally want to stretch it wider or taller. That's helpful for turning a square into a more banner-like rectangle or for creating a thin accent bar. Rotate using the circular handle just below the element. Click and drag it to tilt your shape or line until it lines up with your design idea. Small adjustments often make a big difference in balance and flow. To move the element, click anywhere on it and drag it to a new spot on your canvas. Place it where it supports your layout, like behind a headline as a highlight, beside an image as a frame, or along a section as a divider. If something doesn't look right, simply select the element again and tweak the color, thickness, corners, size, rotation, or position until it feels cohesive. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.